Each of us faces low tides and difficulties in the journey of life. Have you ever felt helpless because of your own defects? Are you eager to get rid of pain and find inner peace and happiness? How to embrace your shortcomings through Buddhist wisdom and move towards self-admission and inner harmony. In the teachings of Buddhism, impermanence is one of the basic laws of the universe. Everything changes, and so does people's body and mind. Our defects and pain are part of the impermanence. As the Buddha taught, we should accept these changes and learn and grow from them. When we can accept our own defects and understand that these defects are also part of us, we can find inner peace. The Buddhist scriptures mention, the heart is like a painter and can paint the world. This means that our hearts, like a painter, can create a beautiful world. When we accept our own shortcomings, we draw a picture of peace and self-respect in our hearts. Compassion is one of the core values in Buddhism. We are often full of compassion for others, but we forget to be compassionate to ourselves. When we learn to be gentle with ourselves and understand and tolerate our shortcomings, we can find strength in our difficulties and go to the light. Self-adoption is not easy, but it is the key to inner peace. Buddhism emphasizes that pain comes from our persistence and resistance. When we can let go of our obsession with perfection and accept our own shortcomings, we can be free from the pain. As the Diamond Sutra says, you should have no place to live. This teaches us that we should not stick to any form, including our shortcomings, but to face everything in life with an open mind. Every defect and pain is an opportunity for us to grow up. Buddhism believes that difficulties and challenges are an important part of our spiritual growth. By accepting our own shortcomings, we can learn from them and become stronger and wiser. As the Buddhist scriptures say, the sea of suffering is boundless, and the back is the shore. When we can draw wisdom from pain, we can find the way to the light. In the journey of life, we may be lost in the dark, but Buddhism teaches us that everyone has a bright light in their hearts. As long as we are willing to look for it, it will guide us out of difficulties. Overcoming your own shortcomings is the first step to light this bright light. When we learn to embrace our own shortcomings, we can find the inner light and let it illuminate our lives. Reconciliation with yourself is the key to inner peace and happiness. Buddhist teachings mention, if your heart is pure, everything will be clean. This means that when our hearts can be pure and harmonious, our lives will also change. Accept our own shortcomings, so that we can reconcile with ourselves, so as to find true happiness and satisfaction. Accepting one's own shortcomings is the first step towards self-growth and inner peace. Through Buddhist wisdom, we can get rid of pain and find our inner light and strength. Let's learn to be compassionate to ourselves and embrace our shortcomings, so as to move towards light and growth.